Tell me what a dog says. How about a cat? Yeah. What does a tiger say? Yeah. Can you tell Mommy what a bird says? How about a bumblebee? One more time. What does a bumblebee say? Yeah. Bzz. Can you tell me what a snake says? That's right. How about a sheep? Well, take your hand out of your mouth. What does a sheep say? Ba ba ba. How about a monkey? What does a monkey say? Can you tell Mom what a monkey says? Well, we can't understand you with food in your mouth. Okay. What does a monkey say? You know what a monkey says, Goofy Pants? What does a monkey say? How about that monkey? Ooh, 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 that's right. Can you tell me what an owl says? Ooh. Right? How about a lion? Rawr. How about a horse? Nee, that's right. And a cow? What does a cow say? That's right. Can you do an elephant? The elephant's really pretty hard. How about a frog? Ribbit, that's right. Good job.